the Sacramento Life Coach Training Institute, we offer a 3-day in-person intensive training program that will give you the confidence to pursue your life coaching career. You'll get hands-on practice, real-world skills that you can use with your clients, and a supportive community that will help you launch your coaching career. You'll be taught the International Coaching Federation's core competencies and code of ethics. You'll also learn how to listen deeply, ask powerful questions, and build trust with your clients. You're going to leave this training feeling empowered, prepared, and excited to coach. You may decide you want to use this in your current field of work, or you may decide you want to open your own business. Either way, I'm your mentor every step of the way. So are you ready to step into your purpose? Join us at the Sacramento Life Coach Institute and become the coach that you were meant to be. You can follow the links on the Facebook page or on our website to send me a direct message.